Hello friend, welcome back in another episode of MiniCooper Garage. And in this episode, let's do something simple. For example, windshield, wipers and washers systems. This 2006 Mini is obviously equipped with the wipers for the windshield and the washers which are here. It doesn't have any washers for the headlights. And of course, like all other Minis, it's equipped with that rear window wiper which you can see here. You might not see the washer because it's hidden right there. Because it doesn't have a headlamp washers, it has only one fluid reservoir. To get to it, I will pop the hood, right? And open the hood. If you don't know how this is done, it's in the different video on this channel. Many engineers was really trying to show us that this is not the place to put a windshield washer fluid. This is a coolant. Here is the logo, don't put it there, because it's right here. It's very easy to open it. You just pop it like that, put it on the side, and you can start filling it. The capacity, it's approximately 2.4 quarts. Now we are in middle of the winter, so I will highly recommend everybody not to put only water, because that could freeze in the night and crack this whole container. So get some mixture with some anti-freeze possibilities. If you had the one with the headlamp system, there will be another actually container right here. So let's go inside of the car and see how these controls work. The controls are located on the right side of the steering wheel. If you go once down, it moves the windshield wipers once and stops. These are the different speeds of the windshield wipers. So here you can nicely see it working. Down it's once, right? Different speeds, right? If you pull it towards to yourself, the jets will spray. Alright, this is wonderful. Totally awesome. To operate the rear wiper, you are using this little button, let's say. So this will be a single slow speed. This is spraying the water. You can see it back there, hopefully. Right, spraying the water, and it keeps running. If you want to do the same thing just once, you go down, you turn it kind of this way. And this is pretty normal, and it's shared by all kinds of vehicles, or let's say most vehicles. But what is this yellow thing at the end of that lever? And that is another super adorable part of the Mini Coopers. There is actually a yellow LED at that end, and that will go on and it will emit the light when your washer fluid level is too low. I love these details. And that's basically it. That will be all info about the windshield wipers, windshield washers, and all those functions. And my friend, that's all for today. Please be tuned and be subscribed, because I have way more videos on this channel about Mini Coopers coming your way very soon. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.